Hello, I'm Chef Louis Annick with the Yes Group, and today we're going to introduce you to the XpressChef 4i.
The 4i features a 2000 watt impingement which enhances browning. It's easily adjustable to 0-100% fan speed, 200 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit convection temperature range, and a 3000 infrawatt radiant which enhances toasting, browning, and crisping. The 2200 watt dual side antenna fed microwave will reduce cook time. The 4i also offers safe operation and simple cleaning. The inner door drops down below the cooking surface for safe removal of food from the cavity. The porcelain IR element cover enhances operator safety and simplifies maintenance. The infrared element tilts up for cleaning. Non-stick oven liners pre-installed for easy cleaning. Also removable, cleanable, and reusable air filters for long life are included. Cook smarter, safer, and faster with the TrueTouch HD touchscreen. High-definition photo icons means error-free cooking made easy. Easy to customize for any menu, concept, or brand. Easily update menus across one or multiple locations with Wi-Fi, Ethernet, or Smart USB as standard equipment. Cut costs and use less energy than a conventional oven. Eliminate the need for pre-cooking and holding, and you can also use standard metal trays, pans, and screens. With its large interior that easily accommodates a 14-inch pizza, a built-in catalytic converter for ventless operation. Designed, engineered, fabricated, and assembled in the U.S., the 4i features a full no-haggle 1-year parts and labor warranty and 24-hour, 7 days a week, 365 days a year service and support.
Thank you for watching. For more information or to schedule a demo, visit us at theyesgroup.com.